Hey Danny, we are currently here at Cape Carnaveral in at CallOne offices. Here we can see the Logitech Bar and also the quite new Logitech Sight. And could you please explain what is for you the biggest value to use here the 360 camera on the table compared to the Logitech Bar? How do you describe the value?
All right, so the value that the Sight brings to meetings is that today the landscape is changing. You have folks that are physically in the space where before everyone was remote, but you also have a group that's remote. And so what happens inevitably when you're in a meeting with people, the people in the room start having conversations amongst each other and they start facing each other. So you see, I'm not even facing the camera up front. So traditionally, if we didn't have the Sight, people would only see the side of my head, or if I'm facing the person over there, they'd only see the back of my head. And then what happens with the folks on the remote end, they disengage because they feel they're no longer part of this conversation or part of the meeting because the folks internally are somehow having their own personal little meeting, and so they check out. Sight keeps people engaged because now they feel like they're part of the conversation, and that's the value that I think Sight brings.
Great. So it's all about inclusion and having a better quality
Yes.
here in hybrid meetings and more engagement on both sides.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Thank you.